My name is Jason Bradley. I am the Curriculum Leader for Performing Arts at East Sussex College, Lewes. Here at Lewes, we have a vibrant and energetic performing arts department, which includes specialist training in acting, dance and musical theatre. Our students specialise in one of these areas over the course of their time with us, as we focus on creating strong, capable artists moving forward on into the performing arts industry. One of the things I love the most about the Lewes Performing Arts Department is the energy, commitment and skill of the teaching staff. Not only are they all highly trained teachers, but they have all worked or still work within the industry. This allows students to get the highest possible teaching experience, but also information that is up to date and industry appropriate. Also, with our teachers so closely linked to the industry, we can create valuable professional connections to artists and companies who regularly visit the college. As you will see through this film, we also have a large number of alumni who have gone on to some of the most prestigious colleges and conservatoires in the country, and then on into the professional world as successful actors, dancers and musical theatre practitioners. Our unique UAL drama courses run for 2 or 3 years. In the first 2 years, you will study the UAL Diploma and Extended Diploma, after which you can progress to university and drama schools, or stay on for our UAL Professional Diploma, which allows you to experience the challenges of working as a professional theatre company. Students undertaking acting courses are rewarded with a range of projects that challenge them to be independent, ambitious, diverse performers. During the course, you will cover a vast range of performance genres, including contemporary theatre, physical theatre, audition practice, pantomime, classical theatre, acting for camera, broadcasting and professional practice.
I'm an actor and a voiceover. I went to Lewes College and I studied BTEC Performing Arts and A-Level Theatre Studies. Since leaving college, I auditioned for drama schools and I got into the Guildford School of Acting and did their 3-year BA acting course, and I graduated 3 years ago. I've also been back to Lewes College to teach. I've taught voice for actors sessions, Shakespeare workshops, and I've also sat on an audition panel and helped students to try and get into drama school. Without having gone to Lewes, I wouldn't have got the stepping stone that I needed to get into drama school, to graduate and to now be a professional actor and a voiceover. I definitely recommend the school and the teachers and the courses. I think you learn so much and you grow so much as a person, as a performer. So yes, Lewes College. Hope you go.
Our drama students have progressed to the top drama schools and universities in the country, including Bristol Old Vic, RADA, LAMDA, Central School of Speech and Drama and East 50.
Hi, my name's Sam. I'm a professional dancer and ex-student of Lewes College. Thinking about college seems a long time ago now, but I still remember what an incredible experience it was and how much the dance course really taught me and helped prepare and guide me to life as a professional dancer. In this short clip, it's really hard to express and delve deep all of the benefits the dance course has at Lewes, but upon graduating from Lewes, I've been fortunate enough to gain a degree and masters in dance and performance, and now I'm a professional dancer in one of the leading contemporary dance companies in the UK, and I truly believe if it wasn't for my time on the dance course at Lewes, I wouldn't be where I am today. So I can only thank everyone at Lewes and thank everyone on the dance course for helping me get to where I am today. And I truly hope that everyone here gets the same opportunities as I have.
The dance department is a highly successful, long-standing course at East Sussex College. Students can explore dance through a highly practical vocational route on our amazing UAL course, or through a mixture of practical and academic dance through our successful, long-standing A-level dance programme. Many of the students have gone on to study at some of the most prestigious universities and conservatoire dance courses in the country, and on into the industry, working for companies such as Hoffa Schechter, Akram Khan and Matthew Bourne.
Hello there, my name is Tom Golby. I'm an ex-student of the East Sussex College Group, and I'm here to tell you that my time at college was the best 2 years of my life. They offer amazing facilities with big studios, they put on big showcases, big full-on musicals. The teachers are motivational, supportive and super friendly, like you can literally have a chat with them about anything. Now I came from Hastings, so it was about an hour and a half commute each day, but it was literally so worth it, a no-brainer, because there was no education system around me which offered the quality that this college could give. And because of the training I had at the college and the support they gave and the training outside of college, I've now managed to gain a place at the Erling Academy in London on the BA degree course, which is something I never thought I could say, and without the college I never would be able to say it, so I do have to thank them a lot. So yeah, definitely come to Lewes.
Our A-level dance programme is a contemporary dance focused course which allows students to not only create and perform work, but to analyse and study famous dance practitioners. This course has a high level of academic rigour and is excellent preparation for studying at university level, whether you end up studying dance or not. Our A-level dance results at East Sussex College are some of the highest in the country. Last year, over half of the entire cohort received either an A star or an A. Our other highly popular dance course is our vocational dance programme. This allows students to study a range of dance styles including contemporary, jazz and commercial dance, alongside additional training such as yoga, Pilates and cardio programmes. The course is focused on the improvement of technical and performance training and is centred around performance at its core. Musical theatre at Lewes is a thriving course taught by industry professionals. The course allows students who wish to pursue a career in this profession to develop their skills in all areas and become a triple threat student, ready for further study at drama college or university. The musical theatre course offers many performance opportunities throughout the 2 years of study, spanning a range of musical theatre genres and styles, which allows students to discover a range of practitioners and ways of working. Students from the musical theatre course have gone on to study at some of the top drama colleges and conservatoires, including Arts Ed, Lane Theatre Arts, GSA, Mount View, Bird College and Erdang. Ex-students are also currently working in the West End and in touring productions of hit musicals including Bat Out of Hell, Hairspray, Cats, Starlight Express, Cabaret and Les Mis.
Hello all. So my time at college was brilliant. It was rather busy, but filled with hash browns, coffee and chocolate, so perfect college experience really. In my first year I did double dance and double art BTECs, and then in my second year I changed to double musical theatre, dance A-level and carried on with art. And so I've made my way around the performing arts curriculum and can safely say they're all blooming lovely. I can't really fault them. They're all lovely. The teachers were great. They were really friendly, hands-on, they really know what they're talking about, and it's all exciting stuff. You get loads of shows. We did loads. We did Shrek. You can't get more iconic than that. So really, there's no better place for it, I'd say. Musical theatre especially was very helpful for me getting ready for auditions. I've just finished my foundation year at GSA and I'm about to go to Arts Ed in September. And I don't think any of that would have been possible without East Sussex College. So I'd highly recommend. I think you'll have a cracking time.
Another area that we pride ourselves on at East Sussex College Lewes is our practical support of the students' progress. Students all receive audition support, advice and practice, as well as support with their personal well-being and mental health. One of the key areas we focus on in every discipline is performance, and all students are given a wide range of opportunities to perform in our on-site theatres as well as in professional theatres in Brighton and beyond. All acting, dance and musical theatre classes take place in purpose-built studios on campus, and students get to perform in fully equipped theatre spaces and work with our in-house theatre technician. We strive to make the whole of the Performing Arts department look and feel like students are studying at a vibrant performing arts centre. Our students eat, sleep and breathe performing arts, and we take that very seriously and work hard to provide the most immersive performing arts experience possible. This has created the perfect learning environment for anyone interested in the performing arts, and this is why we are a leader in this field in the south of England. We are proud of our incredibly high results, our facilities, and most of all, our students. If you are serious about performing arts, we are ready to get you to where you want to go.